This creator discovered one of the simplest and most underrated niches on YouTube. Seriously, hardly anyone talks about it. With just 15 videos, they've managed to pull in millions of views. And now? They're making over $10,000 every single month. The best part? You don't need editing skills, expensive software, or even to show your face. It's all done with one AI tool, and I'll show you exactly how. Go to animate.ai.pro and hit start for free. Once you're in, sign up and head straight to the animation dashboard. Now type out your story idea, topic, or prompt, whatever kind of video you want to create. You'll be able to pick from a variety of video layouts depending on your style. Next, set how long you want each scene to last. Then choose an ultra-realistic voice powered by 11 Labs to narrate the entire video. Hit generate, and let the AI take care of the heavy lifting. It automatically writes the script, creates characters, builds out the scenes, and stitches everything together, including the voiceover. When it's done, you get a complete video ready to post on YouTube or any other platform. Here's a quick example.
Alex's unexpected tumble into the fountain was the spark that ignited his viral fame. With newfound fame, Alex embraced his clumsiness, turning it into a comedic art form. Alex's transformation was complete as he walked the red carpet, a testament to his incredible journey.
Want longer videos? Just increase the number of scenes. The AI keeps your characters and animation style totally consistent. Drop a viral in the comments and I'll send you the tool along with a step-by-step guide to get started.